Guys, tell me the truth. If you saw this in a restaurant, would you pass it? Yes or no? Look, guys, I made dumpling and callaloo, and I'm going to design. Please, if you like what you see, watch the video. And so, guys, watch the video, like, share, and subscribe. Look at this clear. Look.
Hey, where you been, Mum?
So you are put on the voice?
Why can't I put? It's my voice.
No, be natural.
I am not. How are you telling me to be natural? Why don't you come and cook your callaloo and fried dumpling like you're wanting to?
All right, come again. 1 minute. Last try. I'm just coming from the garden and I'm going to cook some callaloo and fried dumpling. And they're pretty. Look. You like how they look?
Looks alright.
I mean they look alright. It's a nice cold tongue callaloo.
It's callaloo. I don't like callaloo.
Oh, really? Okay. But you like fried dumpling though?
Well, yeah.
Oh, okay, there you go. So yes, so I'm going to wash these, put them in here, so, and wash them, put salt on it, wash them, cut them up, and then we're going to fry some dumpling. Hey guys, today I'm going to be frying dumpling and making some nice steamed callaloo, but we're going to make the dough, and in order to make the dough, you have to put it down to rest a little bit. So first of all, I'm going to wash my hands, right? So we don't want no dirty hands. Wash my hands good, wash up the nails.
All right, come on, health and safety.
Yeah. Wash up the nails. Make up the nails them clean and nice. Ready? So it depends on how much dumpling you want, guys. Yeah?
Well,
pause.
I want a lot.
Remember, you can pause.
Well, you can edit it later.
I want the water from the fridge. I'm going to use about 2 cups of flour, 2 or 3 cups of flour. But it depends on how much you need, guys. How many dumpling your household going to eat. And I'm using self-raising flour. But still, you can put a little tip of baking powder in it to kind of bring it up. So, flour. And I have my water, my chilled water. Okay. I'm going to put a teaspoon of sugar in there just to kind of sweeten the dumpling a little bit. Sugar. And, right, so in my flour, I have a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in there. I don't usually put salt in the dumpling, you know, I'm not really covering it salt. So, right. We're going to put a spoon of butter in the flour. Right. Put away. And remember, clean hands. So, you're going to mix up your flour with the butter, your sugar, stir that. Oops, making mess. I need my something, not sure. I need me
your apron.
In it.
Why did you get your apron?
No, it's alright. Come. So right, so I'm making the dough, guys. So I'm gonna make the dough, and you need to come over here, Alethea. Come over here. Is it you looking from that side or I can?
Yes, fine. Do what you're doing, Mum.
You know, Mr. Little Tia, hold on. When we started that bring, I remember just to, use your finger and get the butter all incorporated into the dough. So I'm going to use a little bit of water at a time. Just put a little bit and mix it in. Don't over water it. Just a little bit. And so use your finger.
I feel like this is the first time I'm seeing you make fried dumpling from scratch, from the beginning.
Yeah, because you lie down in bed all the time.
Whatever.
Take that out.
No, we're not.
Oh, come. Look. So yeah, just pour the water in slowly and just we're going to keep all the sides. You don't want, just keep your fingers. You just need your fingers.
I normally add more butter to mine.
Really? Okay. Okay. Right. So you see it's coming together. Look. It's coming together.
So we've now changed locations.
You start, we can see, you know, because I'm about me have to change the location. Hold on. Put a little bit more. That's not the funny, no?
Different locations, same fried dumpling.
Okay. Put a little milk in it so then I know. It's a video?
Yes, it's filming, Mum. This is live, baby.
I have to make sure, say, using milk in there. Okay. Ready?
It's been filming.
So we continue adding our water, right? And as I said, use your one hand, yeah, just your finger. So we see it's all coming together. Look, the dough is coming. I'm going to show you how the dough is supposed to be when it's ready. Just use your finger. I'm gonna get everything in and keep rubbing the sides off. Yeah, it's kneading the dumpling is the thing, you know. We don't want it to overwork the gluten in it either. You know, we want it to be soft. So that's the whole purpose of, you know, taking your time and kneading it. So you see it's coming together. You need it to be soft. Just a little bit more. Just use your as I said, you notice that way I move because I'm a back. I can't really stand sideways too much, so I have to come through here, sir. But yeah, when Aunt Elsie on a Friday night, Aunt Elsie used to fry dumpling.
Who's Aunt Chelsea?
That's cheeky Alita.
I don't know who's watching this. They might not know who she is.
Aunt Elsie is my grandaunt. You know, remember Aunt Elsie?
I know, of course I know who she is.
Okay. Jesus of mercy. Right, so here we go. So Aunt Elsie used to fry dumpling, right? And when she fried dumpling, she said, if you don't want to fry dumpling, she said, if you go pull chair a restaurant. So what she mean by that? That means to say, if you don't want to share cook, you go buy your restaurant food. Yeah, so see, we're almost there. Right? Notice that, you notice how it comes together, and I only use one hand. One hand. So I'm going to clean off the sides. And this is how I make my fried dumpling. I'm going to wash my hand and then I'm going to show you what I do next. Pause. Side.
So what are you going to do now, Mum?
Hold on. I'm going to wash my hands and then I'm going to put this to rest. So that goes to rest. So let me wash my hands and I'll show you what I'll do after. So as I said, I just wash my hand because you don't want the whole thing to be messy. So I'm going to nail this together now. So you see how it's soft? That's how the dough is supposed to be soft. It's not supposed to be tough. The dough is supposed to be soft. So I'm going to rest that. Use some cling fling and rest it, or you can even wrap it in the cling film.
I swear I've never seen you do this.
Wrap it in the
I'm not saying you don't, but I just don't watch you cook.
Right, so that's it. That goes in the fridge for a little bit,
Yeah.
or rest on the side, and then we get on to doing the callaloo, right?
All right.
Okay.
Hello, Mum. What are you doing? This is probably going to be the 500 take.
It'll be, yeah.
What are you doing, Mum?
Hold on first.
Hmm?
Hold on, let me come in from the. We are come from, Mom, but this I go with.
I don't speak patois.
Okay. come in with the callaloo. Let me come in with the callaloo, then we can.
What we doing, Mum? Hey?
Right, so right now what we're making is the let me show.
Huh?
So this is the spring onion. We call it scallion in Jamaica. So I've cut some up already.
Some scallion.
Yeah. So I'm going to go through with the onions. Cut it up. If you want to cut up long way, watch your hand. You know, so slice through. I've already cut up some sweet peppers, so was pre-prepped. So that's going in here. And we have the good old scotch bonnet pepper. So callaloo not tastes better than Jamaica callaloo. So you see, when you grow your own, it tastes much better. It's authentic, it's organic, it's nicer. So I'm going to cut some long strips so the callaloo will look colorful and pretty. Yeah. So I'm putting carrots in there. See that? So I'm making some long strips. The onion I burn my eye, no good onion, not true?
I can smell it as well.
Yeah, it's a burn my eye, man. So some long strips going in there. All of that's gonna be fried up. And you can also, you know, if you watch my finger not coming on. You know, if you watch your finger, chef, it's the one thing, you know, enough chef get messed up in the kitchen. So I'm going to, see, I have some long strips there. I'm going to do some little diamond cuts right here, or some little square cuts. So you have a variety. So the callaloo will taste nice. It's going to be off the hook. Right, so fry up that. You know, the tomato can go in. I'm just going to fry everything together, really. You know, get some oil. Look at the pepper. Pretty, not you? I have some peppers here. I should probably use some of my peppers from the garden. Look, peppers from the garden.
Is that what you grew in the back garden?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, okay.
See the corns here. You know, all of the peppers. So these are the jalapenos. We don't want to try anything in
Jalapenos.
Jalapenos. Right. So these are some nice peppers. But anyway, let's let me wash these. Wash your peppers, wash your vegetables. Woo, woo, woo. Right. Wash your veggies. Okay, so let's smell this pepper. Let me cut down and see. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Don't try this at home. It is hot.
Oh, was that the spicy pepper?
Yeah.
Well, don't put too much in it then. I don't like spicy food.
Okay. I thought you said no want no callaloo.
That's true, I don't.
Eh? You know, smell good. You smell it?
Yeah, I can smell a bit.
Oh, yeah, man. It smell. What I say back home, it smell rank.
Yeah.
It smell rank. Yeah, man. Oh. God. Lord of mercy. Oh,
careful,
my God.
Mom.
So, do you think we have enough carrots? Let me do another one. Let's use up the carrots. Use up the carrots in there. So, it's a whole heap of callaloo, you know. Let me put the callaloo here so they can see. The callaloo is here, guys. So in case you're wondering, where's the callaloo?
Yeah, I can definitely smell that pepper.
Oh.
Is that the one in your pepper sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
It is bad.
That pepper is strong.
Very strong. You see?
And this is the callaloo you
yeah,
picked
that's
in your
the
back
callaloo
garden.
that's gonna go.
You grew in your back garden.
Yeah. You see me coming with my big bunch of callaloo, innit? Yeah, man.
Yeah, definitely put that pepper to the side. And don't touch your face or eyes.
Yeah, guys, remember, careful if you're handling peppers. Don't.
That's enough carrot now, Mom. Why don't you just do the tomato?
Okay, alright, let's do that. And tomato wash already.
Did you put the spring onion or?
And the garlic? Did you put the garlic in there?
Yeah, I think.
No, I see garlic here.
Oh my bad, I thought that was the garlic.
It's the garlic here, guys. So we're going to cut up the garlic. Normally, I scrape grate it in there, but me. It's so nice. So that's the garlic. Some people put thyme in it, but hey, you know, let's see. We can always add a little bit more. But I have, where's the pepper? You take me? Where's the pepper?
The pepper's right in front of you.
No, not this pepper, babes. Hold on. Hold this. Put it on something. Oh. Right. So what I do, guys, when I buy the bell peppers, I cut them up really finely and freeze them. I didn't put these in the freezer because I know I was going to use it today. So that goes there. Got some long strips, and really, you know, you can always have a long strip in there. So that's, ooh, that goes there. And I have some yellow and green ones over here, just to, you know, the variety of colors.
Yeah, that looks nice.
It looks nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, hold on, let me get a thing so I can wipe my hands. Right, so what you said now, the
Just did the tomato.
so I have my second chef here. Right, okay, so tomato go in there.
Did you grow that in the garden as well?
Not this one. I have some little tiny ones. I should just use some in it. There's some tiny ones. I can use them up.
You're not going to be able to cook all that callaloo, are you? Or?
It shrinks.
Oh.
It shrinks. It shrink down. Don't worry, it shrink down. It shrink now. Hey, pepper strong. Right, so after this we're gonna move over to our stove. Put that in there.
Oh, that pot is big, so yeah, probably will.
Yeah. Right, guys, so this is all the season that's gonna go into my callaloo. So that's going on there. See, so in here I've got bell peppers, carrots, spring onion, and garlic.
Did you say the pepper?
Yeah,
the habanero.
Or scotch bonnet, you know, whichever you want.
Oh, the scotch bonnet one.
And spring onion, that. So right.
Now it's time to light it up.
Light up the fire. See, turn on the fire. Right, so that's lit. You can put this aside. Right. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil in the pot. Yeah. Put some oil in there, and I'm going to put a vegetable stock cube, and that will add some niceness to the pot. Let me use that spoon and see that. The vegetable stock cube is really nice, you know. So now in goes the carrots and the vegetables.
I wouldn't have thought to do that, you know. I thought you'd have to like make a gravy.
Well, this is gonna be it's like sautéing it down, innit?
Oh.
Yeah.
Learn something new every day, eh?
So we're sautéing this down, and while it's sautéing down, I'm going to add some more flavor to the pot. I'm going to add some onion powder, just a little bit, you know, just sprinkle. You know how we love to do things. You can call it a teaspoon or so forth. This is garlic powder. Add a little bit of garlic powder in there. Yeah. And now I got the Maggie. But now I got my Maggie. Look at Maggie have to go in there. You understand? Look at Maggie. To nice it up. And definitely just turn the stove down and make it saute. So you see, bring the camera over so they can see the vibrancy and make sure so they know that this is how the callaloo go cook. It looks pretty nice.
So nice.
Looks really good.
What we doing now, Mama?
Right, so we don't want the season to fry out too soft. We want it to be al dente. You know, we call this sautéing down. Come down and see how pretty and nice here. So, but oh, guess what here?
What?
Me left the oregano.
The avocado isn't it right there?
Yeah. I feel like you know, they call it oregano. This guy like me oregano, man. Me love me oregano. And little black pepper going there. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. So listen, guys, we're going to pour our callaloo in now. So I'm just going to use my hand and pour it in. So here we go. Ready? 1. So this is all cut up finely by myself. Wash with salt. So there we go. Callaloo from my garden. Really, look. Woo. We're gonna have to stir this now, guys. Stir. And you know what I'm going to do on top?
What?
Guess what I'm gonna put on top? I'm gonna wash my hand. Yay! Guess what I'm gonna put on top? Stay right there, so. Now come. Guess what I'm gonna put on top? I am going to put some spinach. Yeah? You can add your spinach. And you know, I'm going to add some of the something here.
What?
Wait there. Hold on. Look at it, add some of the shard. You know, let me pick shard, you know. Look. I pick shard. You could add some shard to it too. But never mind. Never mind adding some of the. Right, so now it's time to stir this now and get
Stir it up.
Right, we're going to get, I think I need a spoon now. We're going to get the spoon. Right, we're going to get this spoon to stir and incorporate all of the seasons. So you're going to see carrots and the stuff them in there. You see, start coming.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah.
Looks like kale salad.
Oh, yeah.
Now kale looks like that.
Kale harder though.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm making mess.
It's alright.
Kale is harder. Ooh. It's a lot of color, but guess what it do? It shrink down, you know.
It's like spinach. You put like 2 bags of spinach and it'll look like it was just one.
Yeah.
Or even half of one bag once you like boil it down and that in a pan.
But spinach maintain its color. Yeah, you know, spinach maintain its color. I think we might add some more thing on top in this. So the color will come into. Ooh. Yeah, spinach keep its green color.
I would have added some liquid oil Maggi seasoning.
No, the Maggi. It's still what we still have time to season them up, you know.
We are back to it.
No, it's the bucket.
Yes, we are.
No, not bucket.
Yes, we are.
Not bucket. I'm gonna put some more carrot in there.
You don't need more carrot.
Yeah, we need more carrot in there. More
Why?
Color. Don't fling that in there. Anyway.
Why are you putting more carrots in there? Is orange your favourite colour? Is that why you're wearing an orange t-shirt?
Take it off her.
You're not going to turn down the heat? It's on low already?
Turn off the video tape. No wasting time. Remember, say me not have no something there. Remember, me tell you.
Alright, so you put more carrot in, you put more peppers in because you wanted more colour. What? Is that not what you did?
Okay, so listen, what we're going to do now is...
It's gone from green to a rainbow.
Is leave it to turn up the fire a little bit. Yeah. And let it... We're going to cover and let it steam. And then come back, give it 10 minutes or 15 minutes and we're good to go. What do you think?
Looks alright to me.
Okay.
Looks good. Have you done a taste test yet?
I'm going to do it now. Very good.
Is it spicy?
It's not hot. It's have a flavor.
That means it's hot.
It's not soft.
It smells nice.
There it is. Color the steam down. So we're gonna put that aside now. And time to do the dumpling.
Alright, so you got the dough out of the fridge.
So it's dry my hands. I had just washed my hands, so I'm drying my hands, guys. So right, so it's rested. I'm just gonna show you how the dough is supposed to be. It's not supposed to be tight, it's supposed to be stretchy. So you see that? Your dough is supposed to be like that. Right? Soft. You're not supposed to be hard. So it's have enough time to relax in the fridge or even by the side. So what I'm going to do now is put that aside. Take small pieces and clean out that. Take small pieces. We're gonna roll our dumpling. We're gonna have small dumpling. So show you how. So I'm making tiny dumplings today. Just got a little dent in the top there. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that one there. Small. What I like when the dumplings small and neat.
Yeah, you always make small ones.
Yeah, neat ones. When I like when them big, you know.
I like big dumplings.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll just have one big one and I'll be done.
No, but I feel so the big one take longer for soak. So put that there.
Why do you put some callaloo in your fried dumpling?
That's a different time.
You can do
Not
it.
today. Not today. You know, spoil the oil because it's gonna make it different.
Why don't you just experiment with one and do it the last one?
Do that. So I'm just making enough so when the oil is ready. And another thing, guys, when you're frying your dumpling, make sure the oil is not too hot. The reason why is that your dumpling get burned or brown before it's fried. So always ensure that the oil is warm, tepid. Put your dumplings in and then cover, and they will slowly, it will cook. Even though you cover it, so it's gonna cook and fry at the same time. It's a nice little one there. Look, so I've made some nice fine dumpling by rolling it really nice and clean. But guess what, guys, when you're putting it in the pot, you can still do a little indentation like that, you know, do a little indentation like that. But yeah, you remember the days of when your grandma fried the dumpling and you go teeth out one. We sure even your hubby, your kids, when they fry the dumpling, as soon as they fry, so they, Mom, can I have one? Can I have one? But yeah, but fried dumpling is a traditional way of our breakfast, lunch, or even dinner back home with ackee and saltfish. So we put the oil in here now. We're going to make the oil warm a bit. So I'm going to deep fry the dumpling. So I'm not going to shallow fry my dumpling, right? But I want the oil to warm a bit, and then I'm going to slowly add the dumplings in there. So we're ready to put our dumplings in the oil. So I'm going to take my time and as I say, roll, and then you can take your finger and put a little indentation in. The oil is warm, not to be too hot, because you don't want the dumpling to come over to you so they can see the dumplings. You don't want the dumpling to burn before it, you know. So put a little indent in it. Yeah, see there. In there. They look pretty, not you?
They look alright.
Woo! it in there. Ooh. And it's my friend who told me, Dorothy. She said to me that the first time you see she fry the dumpling, the oil never hot. And that's how we learn. So we learn from everybody, that we're not perfect. But yeah, so this goes in. Remember the indentation there. But these dumplings going to look perfect when they fry. And it's 22 to be exact. Yeah, are you counting? On our count? On a counting? On our count? So so 22 to be exact. So let's see if they all will hold. Oh, I'll never go over. So we're gonna cover the dumpling now, and it's gonna fry. Take its time and fry. So time to cover. So it's gonna steam and fry. So don't worry about it. Just don't turn up your stove too high. So we're gonna get some perfect fried dumplings, right? And some crunchy, soft, nice dumpling. So you can see the dumplings are, frying slowly, but it's going to take its time. So let's cover it back. So now the dumplings are beginning to get golden, so I'm using this to turn it. I may have to use a smaller one. They're turning golden, guys. Yeah. So this is this is how you fry a dumpling. Cover it up and let it steam and fry at the same time. So see, it's becoming so our dumplings looking really golden and ready. So if you have your ackee and saltfish, your callaloo, this is time to get it out. Get the plate ready because the dumpling almost ready. See, only a few left to fry around the side there. Yeah, see, look, pretty. So you notice that the color is becoming nice and golden, and it's all because we're taking our time to fry the dumpling. So after it's covered over, you see that nice and golden. So I'm just gonna let it continue frying, guys, nicely, and then you'll get to see. You'll get to see the end result. So my dumplings are ready to be eaten. Of course, golden brown, and I've just put these few in this plate. So I'm going to share it out with some callaloo now. Isn't that a beauty? Very nice indeed. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the laughter, the fun, sharing the outtakes with my daughter while filming this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.